Y'all know what time it is. Gladberry Smith, 19, Gen 5.
On my girl watching her glow up. Rich nigga still in the neighborhood store eating coconuts. Yeah. Street nigga, bitch, I'm in a Bentley doing donuts. Yeah. Taught myself how to get millions, ain't nobody show us. From my young nigga, 50 balls, told him little nigga grow up. Uncle Vic told me stay down with this shit till it blow up. Smoking.